show you how we make our lovely van into our bedroom for night. So first, you pull. Gotta go around here first, and you pull this black lever up, and then the seat down. Push it down, and there's a black
lever at the back which is to lift up and then lift the entire seat up.
And then you've got 3 little legs there. You just pull these up, and then you pull up this side. Then somebody holds it, and then this bit you pull up as well, and it goes on to little bits there, the silver bits. And after that, we come round here to get all of our stuff to make the beds. Otherwise, we'll be sleeping on a hard floor. We start with the bed, the mattress and a blanket, which goes on the right side because this is Ethan's. On the left side. And we straighten the blankets like that. And then pillows. They're my pillows. And they're Ethan's pillows. And then next is the duvet. So Ethan's goes on this side, and I come around and then you shut the curtain so no light gets out and then it's warmer inside so we don't get cold. Got spare things like my teddy bear and a spare blanket just in case.
These curtains we made another video. If you want to see how you did that, look down in the description where Dad put the link. Because I didn't. And then we shut this one. And then the ones at the boot, Emily can do.
And we've also got curtains at the back. They're stiffer, these ones. And they go across, and then we have
this for the boot. So whilst we're in hotter countries, we can slide it onto there, and then if we shut the boot,
let's put it that way around, because that's how it works.
okay.
And then, so if people want to see about how to see the curtains and how they're fitted, where would they go?
Down in the description, because Dad put the link there, as I said like 3 minutes ago.
And also, while you're at it, like and subscribe. It really helps.